What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is me, Packy, with challenger Ryan Barnes today, and we're throwing backup balls for a whole game, bowling on the wrong side of the lane for us. I don't know how the scores are going to be, but I know Ryan's done this before, and he usually lights them up, so we'll see if he can take it home. Two-handers throwing backup balls. All I know is this is Ryan's game, and I'm going to beat him at his own game. And now that I turned 28, my hand just doesn't do the same thing as it used to at the bottom. This rack stinks. Literally told you that that rack stunk, and then I threw the ball, and then it did it. This trick shot time. Sorry, Ryan. That's what we do on YouTube. Dang.
Bounce.
Needed him to like collide. Well, you know, one's good. I hope I beat you by one. Of course, your rack is wide open here.
Yeah, left side's good always.
Left side's always good.
Ball.
Trick shot time.
Ah, dang it.
If you feel confident in your trick shot ability, this is the time to crack that two-ball Johnny out.
That two-ball Johnny.
Oh!
Not good. It's a good
One
start.
frame down, up two. Okay. All right. I'll take it.
He's happy.
This rack's pretty good though. I'm feeling good. I'm gonna make a slight 1 and 0. Zaddy. You actually hook it. I'm throwing my backup ball spare shot that I throw.
Yeah, it's like barely.
I'm throwing the 247 spare shot that I just cut a little bit at the bottom. You're like wheeling and dealing it.
Just gotta look at 17, right?
17 is the number always on the North Rock China.
Hook.
Oh!
Yes.
Left side's always easy.
Cool. There's the Packy release. Go forward.
A little forward.
Gotta get around it.
They could around it. For me, there is no around it on the backup ball. It is only forward. Oh. I feel like those gotta fall. Like those have to. I'm trying to keep myself in the right headspace here and not think about how lucky you just got throwing a horrendous shot, and then how I absolutely lace mine, and it does that. I'm just saying.
Hey, you say a bad word.
Bleep, 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 bleep. Just make the match job hard.
That's what Mana does.
Really? Does he just swear a bunch?
Oh, yeah.
That Brandon Mata. He looks like a nice kid.
Dude, he won the Sportsmanship Award.
Better watch it. He won the Sportsmanship Award in college bowling?
Yeah.
Because he looks nice? It's
All
like
right.
Frankie getting nominated for the Nagy. That's around it. Keep doing that.
That's not a good game plan.
Keep doing that. Oh, he's going to flame throw. If you made that, I need this to strike.
He's really slapping him out.
Is that the 5 into the 7? That feels like my hit. Just like when I do it the other way, it's 5 into the 10.
Get a clue, Ryan.
He's falling apart. He's cracking under the pressure. It's a good shot.
Gotta be better. Gotta be better.
I was about to say a double here would lock this game up, but we're only in the 5th frame.
Oh my goodness.
I trip more 4 pins throwing the backup ball than I do 6 pins throwing a normal. I gotta fix my hand at the bottom.
Dude, Packy, you beat up that side. Okay. I'm kidding.
I beat him. I threw the shiny balls. He was over here with the 500 grit last video. Maybe I should make that move back to where I didn't 7-9, I 8-10. I should make that move back to that 8-10 spot. Last couple ones have hooked. Oh! Okay, that's understandable. That's my problem with the backup ball. Sometimes there's just like zero rotation. I'm trying to hook the lane and it's just like up the back.
That's your miss throwing a normal.
What, leaving a 7 pin? Yeah.
No, back.
Yeah, that is also, the miss is the same always. It's up the back. I gave you a chance, Ryan. I'm letting you back into this thing. Hey-o!
Hey-o.
Unfortunately, I also feel like my spare ball is coming off my hand with a backup ball. Yeah, I tried to hook it a little bit and it just came off the exact same. Good chance to strike here to put yourself really back in this thing.
You need to strike, put some pressure on him.
That's pretty good. Really hoping that was a big 4 again.
Too much surface.
Ball's a little too quick.
What am I saying?
Oh my God.
Safe.
All right, I'm up 16. How about you focus? A little more rotation here.
Yes. Still alive.
Do I throw straight at this? Yeah, we'll practice. I just have to focus. Throwing straight at the 10 pin on the house shot.
When's the last time you did that? Back up.
Yeah, it's because I got a little bit of that cut right now by accident, not on purpose. Just a little bit by accident. A right side spare shot on coming from a lefty, they always hook it.
All right.
Here he comes.
Here we go. Just had to move 8 right.
You got 210 left.
I'm here. I'm very much here.
I got 216 left. I'm gonna go back to where I tripped that 4 pin and not move because I'm throwing backup balls, and why would I move? Because I don't know what I'm doing. Nut.
Nut.
Picture of a nut right here. Nut. Somebody has a nut button.
College teams do, yeah.
There's a couple college teams that have them.
Oh, God.
Hey-o! Oh, no. All right, good shot. This could lock it down pretty much. This would force Ryan to strike and to get ridiculously lucky.
Stand up. Stand up. Stand.
Yeah! The 7 pin is not a guaranteed spare.
Hey-o.
You've only seen me miss one. The other one was a 4-6.
Just try and get your hand in the right spot. Just really think
Yeah, I
about
need
it.
to get my hand not to back this ball.
Just really overthink it.
Just hit it twice instead. Gah! Why do people miss spares? You know, why? Maybe they don't look at their target. Maybe they lose focus.
Hook a mile.
Pretty good. It's a tough spare. I gotta get Mark here. Should I put the pressure on him?
Oh, yeah?
Should I try and get 1? The problem is if I try and get 1 here,
You're definitely going to get 3.
I'm definitely getting 6. I'll try and get 1. I'll really like sell myself on the 7 pin here. Yeah, I try and make it interesting for you guys. I knew if I actually tried to get that 7 pin by itself, it was probably gonna be 5, so I just shipped that thing straight in the gutter. Double and 9 to claim it. Were you thinking about a ball change?
I was thinking about a ball change.
I mean,
I
this one's brought you so far. You have 2 strikes with it
Yeah.
out of 9
Little
shots.
plastic ball for the win.
Oh my God. I hope you strike. I hope you go strike, 5-10, lose.
This is going to strike.
That's straight, but it's not cooked. It's just
Loser.
really good effort out there. What we call a victory. Start with an open, end with an open. It is what it is. Great bowling.
Great match.
bowling.
Great.
For all you guys out there, thanks for watching. And if you want more stuff like this, hit that like button, subscribe to watch more videos like this one, and you can check out his channel for more cool challenges, fun stuff on his channel, because he's got his own channel, Barnsey Bowling. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Please subscribe. Please.